thought this was the deepest bronzing drop I had seen until I saw this one. Honey, we don't have a lot of options, okay? So if I get the product and it works, I will show it to you. Bronzing drops have become so popular in this year. Like, I know you've noticed that, right? The only issue is now and before, bronzing drops just did not go as deep as me. So every time I would use a bronzing drop, let me find one. Majority of the bronzing drops on the market look like this on dark skin. This is beautiful, okay? But if you're as dark as me, this shade does not blend into your skin to give you that glowy, natural look. Now, this is the darkest bronzing drop I know of. But recently, Morphe has given us products called sun drops. This is what they look like, and I am excited to try it because look at this shade right here. It's looking like it might actually be deep enough for me to use and not worry about my skin looking insane. So in today's video, we are going to jump into the brand new Morphe sun drops and blush drops just to see what they're gonna look like on dark skin. The last time I tried Morphe products, I looked like Hellboy. But before we jump into it, if you are new to my channel, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey, I miss you. I'm gonna link all the products I use in this video right here, so definitely check that view products tag. If I don't find the products I use in the YouTube catalog, I will list everything down below in the description box, so definitely check that out. So let's go ahead and jump into this Morphe bronzing drop. Okay, so we went over to the Morphe website just to see what we can see. We'll talk about the sun drops and then we'll talk about the blush drop. These sun drops retail for $16. The 6 sun drops, they're supposed to be buildable, bronze color, it's as light as water, antioxidant rich, and naturally radiant finish. You can put it all over your skin and you can build it up to add warmth or intensity. The next one on the list is called the Hot Shot Blush Drops. There are 5 shades of these, and of course it's buildable, water weight, antioxidant. It's supposed to give you a healthy looking flush. Let me go ahead and swatch these for you so we can see what they're all about. Although we have 6 shades, I'm only going to swatch the 3 deepest shades for you because the other 3 just will not translate the same on my skin tone. First, we're going to start out with Rich Beach, a drop on the finger, and then we're just going to swatch it. Wow. This has got to be the deepest bronzing drop I have seen so far. The tone of it is gorgeous. It has like a slight rose goldy look to it, but do you see how beautifully it like melts into my skin? I thought this was the deepest bronzing drop I had seen until I saw this one. This is gorgeous. I'm so excited to blend it into my skin just to see what it's gonna look like. I was literally about to make a video on this being the deepest bronzing drop I had ever seen. Almost camouflage in like certain areas. Like when I look straight at you, you can't even see it on my skin. Next, we're gonna swatch Sun Siren. Okay, this is Sun Siren. Sun Siren is, oh, Sun Siren is just like the shade of the other bronzing drop that I showed you. So this would have been that deepest shade. Morphe, I don't know who you have on your team now, but I feel like they're doing better when it comes to the complexion products, at least for the bronzing drops. It looks like somebody saw that there was a need for a deeper bronzing drop and Morphe decided to step up and be that girl, because the truth be told, Morphe was never that girl for the dark skinned girls. This is called Stuntan, and ooh, Stuntan is bright. So I'm definitely right in only swatching the 3 deepest shades. I'm definitely correct in swatching the 3 deepest shades. Remember when I said if you don't like makeup, you could just blend some bronzing drops onto your skin? I'm only gonna put it on half of my face just so you can see what I am talking about, because honey, I have never seen a bronzing drop that can give me this glow and also disappear into my skin as much. Like, I swatch it on and you can't even see it, right? Like, can you see it? Can you see that I have something on my skin right now? What do you see? Do you see a gorgeously blended in skin that's looking like I literally woke up like this? Like, is that what you're seeing? Because that is what I'm seeing. This is gonna be my go-to everyday look now. Bronze and drop wear. Not all bronze and drops are made equal, but this one, yeah, I am here for it. Dark skin girlies, tap in. Tap in. If you're dark skin and you like that bronze and drop look, but all the other bronze and drops have been letting you down, tap in. This is it. Like, oh, my skin is looking amazing. Okay, now these are the two deepest shades of the Morphe blush drops. Okay, this is the deepest one. I'm just gonna blend it in. It is so light. I feel like this is more for natural skin. It looks so good on natural skin. It's there, but it's not there. The next one is called Flex Symbol, and we're gonna put a pump of that on and blend this in. Ooh, this is more pinkish on the skin, and it is also more pigmented than I thought it was gonna be. I like it. There's a shade for everyone. If you want the more pinkish look, you can get that. If you want a more reddish orangey look, you can get that. Morphe seems to be returning back to its root with the brushes. They sent over the liquid bronzer brush. We're gonna go in with a few drops of this bad boy. So I'm just gonna blend it in. Oof, 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 oof. Okay, this is the bronze and drops blended in all over my face. It is not looking bad at all. Like, I'm not scared to put foundation over this because I know that it's not going to just look weird through my foundation. It's not given weird golden undertone. What do you think? Would you wear this by itself? Let me know. I'm gonna go in with the next shade, which is Sun Siren, only on the parts of my face that I will be highlighting, just so that I know that my concealer will look really good on the skin. Oof, I'm so excited to see what it's gonna look like once I put my foundation on it. Ooh, I'm about to glow for the babies. Okay, let's go in with the blush. I don't know how this is gonna go because of how light it blended on my natural skin. I don't know how intensely it's gonna look on makeups, but we're willing to give it a try. We will use the cream and liquid blush brush that was sent over with this product. Do you see how it's added warmth to my face? Of course, from my forehead all the way down to my cheek. I also like applying blush on the bridge of my nose and on the top of my lip. Gives this gorgeous look that ties everything together. It is very subtle, and I don't know how I can intensify it without my skin looking a little more on the glowy side. So I think I'm just gonna leave it at this. I feel like this blush definitely works more on natural skin, especially if you're dark skin like me. I think it works better on my natural skin compared to my makeup skin, because right now it's not looking half as intense as it was looking on my no makeup skin. Okay, so this is my finished look trying out the Morphe Sun Drops collection. The brushes are very nice. The blush is very, very subtle. I will definitely use the Sun Drops by themselves, the bronze and Sun Drops by themselves on the days that I don't want to do any makeup. On the days I don't want it to look like I'm doing something to my skin, Sun Drops all day. My base looks soft focused, not entirely too textured, and I have glow all over my skin without me trying too hard. Let me know which shade I swatch is your favorite on me. Let me know which one you're going to be picking up. Okay, I really hope this video helps you decide on whether or not to pick up the Morphe Sun Drops. Thank you so much for watching. Love you lots, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.